hospital. That is why we say that we are part and parcel of the component of in this chain of survival. The last speaker talked about the accident that occurred some few days ago and maimed about 43 lives, and that actually in itself it's an eye-opener to us to be prepared. In this case, being prepared by giving blood, especially in our community like here in Bulawayo. I encourage all of us here to actually come forward and donate blood so that we are not caught unawares. If you donate blood, you are rest assured that you are actually saving a life. So I encourage everybody who is here or who is out in the street there, so for them all to come and give blood in order to save life. I thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nkata, for that message. I hope it's getting home. The other thing that you need to realize, even if there is no road traffic accident, you can have an emergency within yourself. Did you know that? You can have an emergency. Your body can decide not to want to manufacture